What's up, Creative Squad?
I'm KIMORA.
I'm Creative Mom.
And
we are Creative
Family.
Family.
Today we're going to be making this. Fruity Pebbles Pancakes.
Yes.
And also look, we got the syrup.
That's what we'll be making. Well, KIMORA's going to be making it. Here with her. She's got everything's going to be safe. Right, Momo?
Yeah. So what we going to do is open up this.
Look, this is the griddle. Oh, a little come with the small package. Okay.
Yeah, but and this. There.
Okay. That's all that's in the box? Momo, that's not everything that's in the box. You got to show them everything that's inside the box.
And we got this.
Okay.
And it's a really surprising frosting.
Oh, wow. It comes with frosting, Momo?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Cream frosting. Wow.
Yep. So what we're going to do is
Pour that in the bowl.
Yep.
Are we using the whole thing?
Yeah.
We'll be back. Let me help her with this. We are back. She's pouring some in. Go ahead,
I'm
KIMORA.
pouring a lot.
Go ahead.
I'm pouring a lot. Right?
Yeah. Let's see if really comes inside. You pouring the whole bag, KIMORA.
Yeah.
So now we have to add some water.
Yep.
And we have water right there. That's it. Oh my goodness.
Me too.
Oh my goodness.
You can have this. It smells good. It smells good. I can say family. We back today. I'm gonna make it a lot.
So right now, we're coming out. KIMORA had it's the Fruity Pebbles. I think the Fruity Pebbles is stuff up in here. It's what she's using. It's hard to come out.
Yeah, it's hard.
But this thing is warm. Don't touch it, KIMORA, though. We'll be back.
So with Creative Family, we decided to use a spoon.
Yes, because there's a Fruity Pebble stuck in here.
Yep.
I'm trying to see if y'all can see it. It's like green. Yeah, but it's stuck inside. That's it, Molly. Add a little bit more.
I'm making more.
She added.
I'm making more.
So yeah, she's making her pancakes. She's doing a good job, Creative Squad. I think she added too much water.
Well, I ain't made them.
Well, it would have been more neat if she can use that. Like the Fruity Pebbles stuff. If she could use this, would have been good. Oh, your apron. You didn't tell them about your apron.
Oh, my unicorn apron with Patty and I even got Christmas.
We got her that for Christmas. This is her first time using it.
Yep, I have.
That's it, KIMORA. Let these cook.
I like Nana get some. Just in case she liked it.
That's it, no more. Now I'm gonna get some. Just wait. When you take those off, you put more on. To cook. You see the bubbles?
Yeah. And the Creative Squad,
Creative Squad, yeah.
the Creative Squad, what is bubbling? It gets really hotter. So we can't touch it. You only need gloves.
You have gloves. Gloves you can put it on. But you're still not touching.
And look,
You're about to have to flip them soon, boo boo.
The bubble's going away.
Come on, you be careful.
The bubble's going away.
You gotta start flipping it. Flip it. You know how? You need help? You gotta wear gloves?
Yeah, I want to wear
A
a glove.
mitten?
I want to wear a mitten. I want to wear a glove.
Just in case you want to glue that. Go ahead, Mama. You could put the thing back on. She had these ones. She just put it in. It looks real good. Sure you don't want to put the mitten on?
What mitten?
This one you have on. You did good. So one more to flip. Oh, pat it down. Yeah. So, how y'all think Kimora's doing? Creative Squad?
Good.
Great. That's right.
And we probably thinking about giving Snoop a little bit.
I didn't say we was giving Snow anything. She have her LOL. You think it's done? Say, you sure you don't want the gloves? I just do this in my hands. Hot. You really don't know. You don't have to just get a fork for all that then. So this is how it looks.
I want the little pieces too.
This is how it looks. If you got the spoon, don't tell me let the spoon fall and all the way in. Let's see. Let's see what's up with it. Look to this squad. The spoon all the way. Go get another spoon, Kimora. Look what she did. Let it go all the way in. Wait, let's move these out the way.
It's okay, we can keep them.
Kimora Googles everything. She Googled all the stuff dogs can eat. They said, well, Google said that dogs can eat pancakes, and now she thinks that every time pancakes is made, that the dog can eat. Right? Let's see how many you're gonna make. You should have started over ordering.
Alright. Let me show you. I'm gonna make a smiley face.
No, not right now, Mama.
I'm not. I'm just gonna make the face, the head. Make it a smiley face.
That's all right. Go make other ones. That's bigger than the other one.
Make it that smiley face eye. I didn't tell you. I know how to make it.
Y'all think she's doing great?
Yeah, I bet they.
You think she's doing great? That's good.
I just gotta make the
You are doing good.
I gotta make the cheek. But
And we actually have pancake art stencil.
yeah, we also.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, look, this is the ice cream. And this one is a lion.
I gotta make
This
the
is
nose.
like, I have bought this for Nana More, so they can do like the battle doing the pancake art. We'll do that video. More just messing my neck again. My own.
It fell in.
Fell all the way in again.
I got it.
I'm always making a big mess, Creative Squad.
I still debate. Bananas still like my cooking though.
Now I still like your cooking.
Yeah. Aren't they look cute? Okay, what? also for Creative Family because the whole family. And yeah, we probably gonna go and let me tell you something. Amani is not my sister. Nana is my sister. And Nana like my cookies.
Kimora, you didn't have to tell me. I'm pretty sure. No, Kimora's only saying that because some of the comments said that they are all sisters. She wants to let y'all know that Amani is her cousin, not her sister.
Yeah.
Right, Kimora?
Yeah. Because Amani ain't my sister. It's not a little piece.
Well, there's so many little pieces it's getting stuck onto the bigger pancakes.
He's so scary. He will help them. We have to help them. We have to help them from my door.
How these ones, the first ones came.
Yeah, me
They
too.
look good though. They look spot that I took them and pushed them to the side.
Yeah, the other ones I made.
How does it look?
Be perfect.
How these pancakes look, Creative Squad. Kimora's doing an excellent job.
Next time we just gotta do it together.
Wait, no. I'm gonna make a little bit more.
Alright.
Get these out the way.
I want to do is, we pour the whole thing. I want to make a big, wait, let me just pour a big.
One more.
Let me just pour a little bit.
Wait, one more. Let me just do
I want
this
to
real
make, I want to
quick.
make a big one. I want to make a big one that's big in this house. Mom, so can we pour it?
Fill the spoon. That's inside. That's inside. Do that, Creative Squad.
Yeah.
So tell her what you're about to do.
Second.
She about to get this. She got the syrup. She got the frosting. She got the fruity pebbles. Go ahead, get the pancakes. Show them how you're gonna do it. That's yours. Oh, look, Creative. So we need to finish showing y'all. This is how they look. Another one for you. This is now another one. Okay, so now show them how you're gonna decorate. No, the icing first. Okay, that's enough. So she's back. She's spreading the icing on it. You didn't put that on the top? You didn't do that one yet? Go ahead. I don't know how Kimora's doing this. While she's doing that, I'm going to just do Nana's. Do Nana's.
I need a little bit more.
Like this. Just spread some on Nana like this. I'm using one hand, so bear with me. And
Dang, that was fast.
yeah, Mama, you start moving quick. This one's sweet. So there goes tonight. This is
time for this.
yeah. That's it, Kimora.
I just gotta do that one. I don't know where to.
So this is how it looks. Fruity pebble pancakes. Creative Squad. Look at that. Looks nice. Now I'm gonna add the syrup to it. So go ahead, Kimora. Put it to the side. That's a lot. So look at Kimora. It looks good. She left one out, but anyway. So let's do it like this. Sprinkle it over it. You don't want a lot. Yeah. So how does it look? How did I do and how did KIMORA do? Dun 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 dun.
That's
Look at
not us
mine.
anyway.
Yeah, well I made it though. But yeah, how does it look? So we're gonna let KIMORA taste it.
Taste it.
Creative Squad, we are back.
Back.
Me and KIMORA and
We
about
are
to taste
back
it.
in action.
Look at KIMORA. This, I don't know if y'all can see. She have a whole bunch. So this right here, no one said this plate is not. This is not. I'm gonna just taste Saniah's real quick. Saniah's upstairs. But anyway, you ready? What kind of syrup is this?
Fruity pebbles.
I know it's fruity pebble. What flavor? Cherry?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm not crazy about cherry. But anyway, go ahead.
I did.
You want the spoon? Okay. It tastes good. I could eat this without the syrup. Let me try it without the syrup. It's good. It's good.
Me too.
Thumbs up, KIMORA. Your Creative Squad. So these pancakes are good. Let me find. You did a great job. So if y'all want to see more videos of KIMORA making pancakes and cakes and pumpkins and anything, I mean like she said 100 million likes and she'd do more videos. I just say 20 likes, that's it. She did 20. So we get the video to 20 likes, then hey, we will be doing another video. What video next? More pancakes?
Yeah.
Oh, tomorrow's gonna do another pancake video if y'all get this video
Yeah,
to 20
one.
likes. Oh, back it up a little bit, it's blurred. I don't know, but anyway,
I like it.
Creative Squad, thank y'all for watching this video.
Yeah, but do y'all like it? Hit the bell button and subscribe.
With that being said, give this video a big thumbs up,
And let me
press
talk.
that bell button,
Let me
subscribe
talk.
to be a part of the Creative Squad.
And hit the bell button and subscribe.
We are